Na kinchanoन्द्रियायेतुम् asaka tivraya muda apurita manodhvare hridanya iva nirjare. Bhagavatam 6.4.41 Hamsugoya prayers. What is the meaning of this? As rivers are filled by water flowing from a mountain, all of Daksha's senses are filled with pleasure. Because of his highly elevated happiness, Daksha could not say anything but simply remained flat on the ground. Now what has happened? Why Daksha is so happy? He saw the Lord. Okay. Therefore, one of the names of the Lord is Rama. Ramyanti iti Rama. He gives exceedingly happiness. Ramante yogino anante satyanande chidatmani iti Rama padenashu param brahma vidiyate. There's a meaning that the pleasure with the Lord is ananta, unlimited. And human life is meant for that. We were discussing the 6 questions asked by the sages, first canto. One of the questions is the best occupation for a human being. What is the best occupation? And he says the best occupation is Savai Pumsa Para Dharma Yata Bhakti Adhokshaje. That is the best occupation which gives you devotion to the Supreme Lord. Bhakti Adhokshaje. Ahayatuki. And the devotion should be without any cause. Apratihata. Without any break. That is pure devotion. Pure means these 2 things should not be there. What are the 2 things? Cause and cessation. No cause. Then it is business. And no break. Ahetuki apratihata yayatma suprasiddha. And that what it does? Give full satisfaction to the soul. And we're seeing Daksha here. Even if you don't see the Lord, devotion service can give you all the pleasure. In fact, generally devotees are not even keen to see the Lord. They're just very happy to do devotion service. They're very happy. And they find so much pleasure in offering service to the Lord. While why bother the Lord and he has to come? Just like suppose you really love, respect somebody. You'll not keep saying, I want to see you, I want to see you. No? You're very happy just by doing service. So that is the topmost platform. The devotee is very, very satisfied. Hey, Daksha is a Devata. So Devatas do see the Lord sometimes like Daksha is seeing. And therefore they are great devotees. They're not like us, ordinary. Even Indra sometimes has a problem. He prays and he gets darshan of the Lord. All the Devatas are appointed servants of the Lord. They got appointment letter from the Lord. But the difference between them and the pure devotees. As I said, pure devotees like Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, Srila Prabhupada, they see the Lord constantly. They're very, very dear to the Lord. But Devatas are also like, you are owning a company. He's like your CEO. They are also dear, but not like the pure devotees. Pure devotees are even a higher platform. Just like Daksha is here, a Devata. Now he is participating in the mission of the Lord. What is the mission of the Lord he is participating? The Lord wants the conditioned souls to get a chance for rectification. He is participating in that. What is the purpose of creation? Why there is creation? Creation is there so that people get a chance for rectification. Otherwise, we don't need creation. Just like why there is school and college. That is there to educate people. Why is there a hospital? To make people healthy. Okay? Why is there a jail? To rectify a rebellious person, rebellious to the king. So jail actually fits the best bill. We are all in a jail. This is called Durg. Jail. Du means, Ga means to go. Du means you cannot go from there. That is called jail. So Sanskrit is so succinct. Gachati. Correct? आप जाना नहीं, जा नहीं सकते. गच्छति मतलब जाना, दू भी नहीं जा सकते उधर से. उसको मतलब जेल. एंड दुर्गा, हेड ऑफ द जेल. कहाँ से शुरू हुआ सोचो? ग, दुर्ग, दुर्गा, head of the jail. You cannot get out from this jail. So the jail is best for everybody is there in the jail. Yesterday night we were discussing. Correct. What is to be done, what is not to be done. You should be very much knowing. I was just thinking one more argument. Suppose you are giving an exam. क्या आप बहुत केयरफुल नहीं होते? एक शब्द क्या क्या लिख रहे हो? या ऐसे ही लिख देते कुछ भी? You're very, very careful. Why? You know this will be watched. This will be checked. And marks will be given. And then my life will depend on that tomorrow. तब मार्क्स जैसे आगे तो फेल हो जाएंगे, यहीं बैठे रहेंगे, फिर डिग्री का कोई फायदा नहीं. करेक्ट? जब अभी आप एग्जाम देते हो, ध्यान देते नहीं देते? अब एग्जाम दे रहे, आई एम गिविंग एग्जाम, आई एम केयरफुल और आई एम नॉट केयरफुल? आई एम वेरी केयरफुल. Whatever I am writing, I am careful or not? Or do you write anything? Writes anything? Chalta. So, same way, what is to be written, what is not to be written, are you thinking or not? Can I write this? Do you write? Yesterday I went to a movie, it was very nice. Do you write? Do you make a picture of a girl there? Do you write? Are you frivolous like that? No. So, similarly, human life cannot be frivolous. Exam chal raha hai. Continuous we are observed. And somebody is observing us. And he has the power to decide. Karmana devanetrena. Your activities are devanetra. Devatas are watching. But he may say, yaar, क्यों यार मेरे पीछे पड़े हो? क्यों देखते रहते हो? The same way, you can ask the teacher, why you are looking what I write? I'll write whatever I want. No. You have to be educated. You can't remain ignorant. Correct? So similarly, we are here because we are rebellious. We have to be educated. We cannot remain independent. It is for our own good. Just like for the good of the student, school, college and exams are there. He may not like it. That's a separate issue because he doesn't know the purpose. The purpose is he should be educated. He cannot remain a fool. That is why school, colleges are there. But that's another joke. After the education, become bigger fools today. But I'm just giving the principle. Jada Vidya Maya Andhakara. Modern education means to destroy even a slightest chance he will ever become a devotee. Destroy it. Slaughterhouse. Prabhupada said the modern education system is nothing but slaughterhouses. मतलब इतना भी चांस नहीं रहना चाहिए कभी वो भक्त बने भगवान का, उसको नष्ट कर दो. Actually they destroy the character of man. They destroy his devotion to the Lord by giving all funny ideas. That is the modern education. But I am just taking the principle. The principle of education is what? To educate a person. Agreed? Any? So similarly, when you are writing an exam, what is the purpose? To educate you. So whole life also, every step you are taking, you are watched. अरे भाई क्यों देख रहे हो? मेरे को करने दो ना. मेरा दारू पिएगा, मैं सिगरेट पिएगा. क्यों देख रहे हो मेरे को? No, we have to see you. Just like in a doctor, in a hospital. A doctor comes to you. And he's checking your temperature. क्यों देख रहे हो? मेरा नहीं देखो temperature. हर दिन क्यों देखते रहते हो temperature? Why are you watching my temperature? Doctor will ask. Patient will ask the doctor, no? Why are you watching my temperature? No, नहीं देखने. No, I have to see you because you are sick. So similarly, we are sick. And it is Krishna's arrangement to rectify us. We are sick. We are small anu. And you want to imitate the Lord. तरह तरह से imitation होता है दुनिया में. Different ways people are imitating God in this world. Some people are imitating by the natak on the streets, like a monkeys, they jump here, there, show they are free. Because God is Swarat, totally independent. We also want to imitate him. You are not free. You're not free. Even in the country, you're not free. You have to obey all the rules of the king. True. Today, king means it's a government. System is fool's paradise. But the principle is same. You have to obey somebody. Correct? Thoda they make it little impersonal, but the fact is finally it's person only has set the laws. So somebody you're obeying. True or not? You're obeying. So you may not like, but that's how the kingdom is running. The same way we have to obey the Supreme Lord. But we are not ready now. That's a training. Dharma is nothing at training. Dharmam tu shakshat bhagavat pranitam. Dharma is a training so that we come to the platform of obeying the Lord. Do we want to obey the Lord? No. It's a training so that we can obey. Just like in a jail. It's a training so that I become a law-abiding citizen. So you are in a jail. Every moment you are being watched. Ab kya kar raha hai? Again he is taking drugs. Again he is fighting. Correct? They do that in the jail also. What do you find in the jail? Criminals. So similarly, yesterday that big event happened. Somebody has killed 50 people. Just gone and killed. In America. Taken a gun. Went, some night party was going on. 2 o'clock. Yesterday. 2 o'clock of America. That was in India ka evening time. He just killed 50 people. 50 more are on the hospital. 70, 75 people. Why? Because in a jail, what do you find? Sometimes people say, why such things happen? Now, what more do you expect? Just like in a jail, do you expect gentlemen people in the jail? Jail ke you go inside, very well behaved, shant. You don't expect them. आजकल तो city में भी नहीं मिलते वैसे लोग. Jail में means worst. So in this material world, you expect such people only who have such kind of propensities, craziness. So you will find such people giving so much pain, so unfortunate, giving so much pain to people. That is how it is. Such kind of people are in the jail. So then somebody is being watched. What's wrong? Because he can potentially do such things. Just like it is said, the FBI 2-3 times previously they caught him. There was some suspicious. They interrogated him 2 times previously. So he cannot say why, because he did such a thing. You cannot say why they are checking, because he is capable of such a thing. Correct? No? Is it wrong? They were checking. So similarly, we are being watched because we are capable of such things. We are being watched by the Lord. So that is how it is happening in this world. We are being watched. So therefore, we have to be extremely careful. And now you see, the coming to the positive platform now. Daksha behaved well. It is said, God is more eager to see us than we are eager to see Him. He is the Supreme Father. Very eager to see His children. Krishna wants to see. So Daksha behaved well. He offered the prayer called Hamsa Guhya prayers. Beautiful prayers with devotion he offered to the Lord. And the Lord was very happy by his sincerity. And he came to see him. And he has blessed him because he has actually come. Devatas do something on behalf of the Lord. In fact, Devatas generally don't do nasty thing. Did happen. Daksha did do previous life and now also again he will do. Sometimes they will make a mistake. But then they are punished for that. But generally they don't make. Devatas are like in a jail. The best. In a jail, man, there are crores of people, lakhs of people in the jail. Say in a jail, not lakhs, few thousand people are there in a jail. Okay? In Bangalore also jail. So of the best among them, they are made in charge of chapati distribution, cleaning, all those things. So Daksha is like that. He is in the jail only. He is also under watch. But comparatively he is. Therefore, personally, sometimes the king sees them. The Krishna comes and sees them. Yeah, what is that? He said, no, I wanted to populate this universe. Krishna knows. Actually, inherently the desire is for sex. At the same time, he is participating in his creation. Correct? So yes, Krishna sanctioned, yes. He even arranged a wife for him. That will be blessed. I said, okay, Daksha means expert in sex. That is Daksha. Expert in what? Daksha means expert. We also sing in the morning prayers, no? Daksha. Tatrapi daksha ati vallabhasya kintu prabho sa priya. Tatrapi daksha. He's very expert. The great devotees are very expert in service to Krishna. But at the same time, the Devata is not overall a plan, because everything can be dovetailed for service to Krishna. The universe has to be populated. And Daksha wants to give conditioned soul a chance to surrender to the Lord. Therefore, everything is dovetailed. Okay, that's fine. Krishna blessed it. Everything can be used for Krishna service. Therefore, it is said, if you cannot train your children to surrender to the Lord, then your birth is useless. You should not be a father. You should not be a mother. You should not be a teacher. You should not be a guru. If you cannot train your dependent to get liberation from this world. Correct? Because we have come to this world for rectification. Just like your doctor is there and he's treating a patient. Patient never goes out to nursing home. Is he mad or what? Something is wrong with the doctor. So similarly, the parent business is not to see the child remains conditioned and bound in this world. The parent business is that the child should go out of the jail as a law-abiding citizen, a pure devotee, as a servant of the Lord. He should go out of the jail. Correct? That is the parent business or not? So Daksha wants to participate in that. Therefore, Krishna says Krishna has come to see him. He is not just gone for sense gratification. Then why Krishna will see him? Correct? Krishna has a business in this world. This world is not created by accident. The Lord has a business. He created for a purpose. And those who participate in the purpose, they become very dear to the Lord. Natatasmad manusheshu kashit me priyakrita maha. Krishna says in the Gita, nobody is dear to him than he who gives this message to the suffering conditioned souls. People are suffering in the middle world. Karshati. They're struggling, suffering. And Krishna is conscious of that. And if somebody goes to reform that person, why do you behave like that? It's not good. You should do like that. You should do like this. Gives him the information. What to do, what not to do is very, very dear to the Lord. It's like when Prabhupada came to America, they asked Srila Prabhupada, why you have come to a country? Prabhupada said, I come to make you more intelligent. What is it, more intelligent? We are so intelligent. You are intelligent now, know how to bend iron. You don't know anything more. I come to give you intelligence. What to do, what not to do. So what is the use of that? You will reach the Lord's lotus feet. You achieve perfection of life. And you achieve total happiness. When Daksha saw the Lord, he became filled with unlimited happiness. Finally, that's what you want. So people want to know, what should I do, what not I should do, so that I achieve complete bliss and happiness. That guidance is given by the Shastra. And that guidance, if somebody goes to guide somebody, please do like this, you will be very happy. It becomes very, very dear to the Lord. So another thing to note here is something very interesting, is that Daksha saw the Lord. What did he see? Did he see a light or did he see a form? 800 forms with 8 different weapons. So Lord is always with a form. And what kind of form? Extremely beautiful. He said each arm was looking very beautiful. What is this when you see an arm, it is beautiful or not beautiful? Krishna is a symbol of beauty. If anything, that's why the definition of beauty. Anything matches Krishna, it looks very beautiful. Okay. But at the same time, in this world, it is just a packet of stool and urine. Just like a mannequin. अभी देखते हैं ना, shop में mannequin होता है. We know mannequin. In a garment shop, they will have one person. Correct? They will have sometimes. You have seen or not? Clothes shop में putla. And they make it of plaster of Paris. Almost looks real. But is it real? No. You go from behind, you will see all the structure, springs and all. But you see, same plaster of Paris, if it is lying on the ground, looks very dirty actually. But you combine, make the form, oh, very beautiful. You get attracted. Actually, it is cheating. It is cheating. This is a packet of stool and urine which looks very attractive. Just like Shankaracharya says, all the beauty woman can display in the combination of muscle, stool and urine. That's all it is. And we get so attracted. Oh, she's Miss World. She's so attractive. She was looking so beautiful. He was looking so handsome. पागलपन नहीं है, लोग पागल है नहीं है. But we want to be cheated, we continue to be cheated, and we want to continue to be in illusion. I said many times, you have a dream, people say, a dream was very nice. I want the dream. People don't want to wake up from illusion. That's a madness. So, the question is that why we are attracted to forms in this world. We are searching for Krishna. We are all searching for Krishna. Krishna is unimaginably beautiful. Anything looks like Krishna. It looks beautiful. Okay, that is how it is. So therefore we should be very careful. We should be very, very careful not to get cheated and look for real form. Not to be cheated by false form, but look for real form. And what is the real form? Form of the Lord. In this word, form is there, but this form has nothing to do with the soul. It is just a dress imitating the spiritual form. We should be keen to separate out real form and spiritual form. Okay? So therefore we try to look for the form which is Satchidananda. And the deities in the temples, even though it is made of matter, everybody knows it is made of matter, made of marble or metal or stone, but still, because it is served with love, it takes a spiritual nature. The Lord manifests Himself based on the desires of the devotees. This is the omnipotency of the Lord. Even though it's matter, but Krishna has the power to fully be present in His energy if He wants. Achinta. This is inconceivable how He can do this. Inconceivable. God can be present. He is present inside every atom also. He is present everywhere. That way God is always there. And the example is given like a post box. Now you put a letter in the authorized post box, it reaches the destination. Okay? Aaj tak the people don't use post box. Previously, letter very rarely people write, but still the system is there. But you put it in authorized, just put on any dabba, it will go. It will go, no, it will not go. You have to put on an authorized post box. Similarly, there is another example is given, a piece of paper. You can have any piece of paper. Is it any value? No. It has to be authorized by RBI. Then it becomes valuable. Correct? So you look for authorized place. You look for authorized dabba. Similarly, deities are authorized way to worship the Lord. It's an authorized way. Just like a letter, it reaches the Lord. The Lord is actually personally present. It is not a representation of the Lord. It is Lord Himself. It's a very big difference. Most of the people think these are all images which help you remember the Lord. It is Lord Himself. It is not a representation. It's an offense. Just like Bhagavad Gita is absolute, is Krishna Himself. Shabda of Krishna is non-different from Krishna. It is Krishna Himself. Therefore Bhagavad Gita you keep respectfully, correct? Message of Krishna is non-different from Krishna. Name of Krishna is non-different from Krishna. Prasada of Krishna is non-different from Krishna. Deity of Krishna is non-different from Krishna. It is Krishna Himself. Okay? So therefore we offer respects. And Daksha saw the Lord with beautiful form. Beautiful form. So we should understand the form of the Lord is there and it is very beautiful. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.